There is no place like home, but did you ever fathom that you'd be stuck inside your homes for this long? Not me. And now with this new phase of the lockdown coming to an end, what is the new normal? Where do we eat and who do we meet? And even more so, how do you feel? Are you confused, excited, nervous, or relieved? Let's address these mixed feelings by talking about 4 healthy and happy habits. Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Mekla, also known as Do What Makes You Happy. I'm a holistic and well-being coach, and this channel is dedicated to living life healthy, happy, and mindfully. This global pandemic has been one of the worst crises the world has seen in a really long time. So I'd like to share with you today 4 healthy and happy habits that kept me going during this lockdown, and I would like to imbibe for years to come. I do hope you find them useful, so let's dive in. Healthy habit number 1, nutrition. If you take care of your body takes care of you. Now, I'm not trying to advocate fasting or dieting plans, but the general rule is to eat a healthy and nutritious diet. So let's look at the do's and don'ts of one. Green leafy vegetables. Green leafy vegetables and cruciferous vegetables like broccoli, cauliflower, and cabbage are a high source of vitamins and should be part of our daily diet every day. Foods that are high in fiber, such as whole grains, foods like chickpea and chana, and especially fruits. And remember, don't juice your fruit, but always eat your fruit. Because when you juice your fruit, you lose all the fiber and end up consuming a lot of sugar, which then leads to weight gain. And of course, hydrate. A lot of times when we think we're hungry, we're actually thirsty. So do make sure that you drink 6 to 8 glasses of water every day. What we should avoid consuming are junk foods and especially white refined sugar, because white refined sugar is nothing but hollow calories. Now, I'm in no way advocating that you need to give up your favorite dessert, but of course, moderation is always key. Personally, I love smoothies. My favorite morning breakfast is a smoothie. So do check out the link below for the recipe of my favorite smoothie that I drink every morning to kickstart my day. Healthy habit number 2, exercise. I hear so many people complain that they just don't have the time to exercise. This lockdown saw 2 types of people. One who didn't feel motivated enough to exercise because they couldn't go to the gym every day, and 2 who made sure that they exercised as a part of their daily regime. It is scientifically proven that exercise releases endorphins in our body, which is the happy hormone, which is why you feel good after a great workout. Back in 2017, I became a certified yoga instructor, but because of work and other time constraints, didn't get a chance to pursue my practice. Thanks to the lockdown, I brought my yoga practice back and have never felt better. Now, whether you do yoga, Pilates, you go for a run, or you do an indoor home workout, try to get at least a minimum of 30 minutes a day for 3 to 5 times a week. Healthy habit number 3, create something. There is a joy in the energy of creation. This lockdown saw the emergence of some amazing home-based master chefs. I mean, people were baking bread. Isn't that incredible? Some took to gardening, whilst others started cooking, baking, and even painting. The idea here is not to pursue a hobby, but more to do with creative expression. I, for one, started something called a dance meditation. Now, you'll think that's a form of exercise, but a dance meditation is not so much a workout, but more like a meditative dance, which is basically the synergy of movement with focused breath work, and that ultimately helps in relieving stress. Finally, habit number 4, seek support. If this pandemic has taught us anything, it is how important the support of our loved ones, our family, and friends is. But sometimes the problems can be larger. Now you may wonder, why do I need to waste money? Or why do I need to see a therapist? Am I crazy? But we do spend money on gyms and pizza, don't we? Then why not a professional who can help you live a happier life? And just like a fitness instructor, a life coach is not so much a therapist, but more like a guide or a friend who has the right tools and techniques to help you deal with problems like loneliness, anxiety, sadness, or hopelessness. With the unfortunate incidents that have taken place recently, I strongly urge you to seek the help of a professional if you need to. Whether you choose one or who you choose, the choice is ultimately yours. If you've enjoyed watching this video as much as we enjoyed making it, then do give it a like and subscribe to the channel because it always makes us happy. Till next time, ciao!